Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be shooting a BB gun. Like in the last video, I said that we're going to shoot a BB gun. So let's start. So right now I'm going to aim for the wheelbarrow. I'm very bad at my aim, but I'll try to. So here whoa, this is so hard. So I'm gonna aim right into the got it. So that was fun. And now it's time to shoot some more. So I'm back and from reloading, and we're gonna shoot. What should we shoot, guys? Should we try shooting a bird for our dinner? I see one. Should we try to? I think I'm gonna go for it. Okay, let's do this. My socks are all wet. It was raining all day. Oh no, the bird flew away. So sorry guys. I was distracted, and I'm gonna shoot that big metal bowl, if you see it. So aiming is very hard with having the camera. I think I got it. Leave in the comments below if I got it, because I couldn't hear it because of the railings. This time let's try again, shall we? So here we go. I don't want to aim for my dog. Hazel, move. No. Yeah, my dog's name is Hazel. Hazel, move, please.